Tired of security cameras that require you to become an electrician just to watch your property? For years, the market has promised simplicity, but what we often receive are complex installations, constant subscription demands, and batteries that die when you need them most. I spent weeks testing the eufy SoloCam S220 to see if this wireless, solar-powered camera could actually deliver on its promise of hassle-free, robust monitoring. I needed to know if this was just another gadget that looked good on the box but failed in the real world. When I first started testing, I was skeptical. Most outdoor cameras I've used required me to deal with physical wiring, drilling multiple holes and running conduits, which is a huge deterrent for most homeowners. Plus, the constant fear of running out of battery power meant either frequent trips to the store or the headache of solar panels that didn't quite keep up. The SoloCam changed that dynamic entirely. The first thing that impressed me was the solar charging capability. Seriously, 3 hours of sunlight daily keeps this unit running without you lifting a finger. The setup was remarkably straightforward, truly wire-free, and its tiny, durable design allowed me to place it in spots I previously thought were unreachable for surveillance. I was expecting to pay hundreds of dollars for comparable, reliable systems, and I found that premium competitors were asking $300 or more, often coupled with mandatory cloud storage fees. The eufy SoloCam S220, however, is priced at $169.99. The clarity is fantastic. The 2K resolution coupled with the f/1.6 aperture means the night vision is crisp, not grainy. I also discovered the AI detection feature, which doesn't just send a generic motion alert. It specifically identifies people, whether they are family members, delivery personnel, or strangers. And the best part? It has no monthly fee. All storage and intelligence happens right on the device. If I had to point out one minor drawback, it's that the initial Wi-Fi pairing process is slightly more involved than I expected. So take your time with that step. Picture this. It's 3 a.m. You're settled in bed, and your phone buzzes. You open the app and see a clear, detailed feed of your backyard. You can zoom in on a specific point of interest, seeing exactly who was there, and knowing that all that data is stored locally, protected from external hacks. It's a feeling of deep security, knowing you have continuous, reliable coverage without the constant maintenance or unexpected bills. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.